YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy DV Kiss back with another video. I told you guys was gonna be coming back, and today we got a new pair of sneakers. So if we got a new pair of sneakers, you already know it's gonna be a good day, y'all. And today we're gonna do my first sneaker unboxing on this channel. So that being said, I haven't seen the shoe yet, so everything I'm gonna say, you know what I'm saying, my thoughts on it or whatever, is gonna be fresh, man. Like, I ain't seen it yet, so we gonna dive right into it, man. But before we get into that, and don't forget to like, comment, make sure you subscribe. Swing your way to that description box and go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. All my social media information is linked there below. And without further ado, man, let's get into this pair of shoes. I'm super hyped to take a look at these right here. Another pair of Air Max added to the collection, so let's go ahead and check these out. And we're gonna unbox these live. Let's go. Alright, we got the Air Max 90 Mars landing, man. I think so. My first impression, I like these a lot. I think these are pretty dope. They're not as like vibrant as I thought they would be, but I know they are 3M reflective from some of the images that I've seen, so maybe they'll look a little different when the sunlight hits them, when you're outside with them. And yeah, these are different, man. These are cool. Material's different. Like, got some extra laces here. And what do you think? You like these?
I do.
Think it's a cool
addition? I thought it was gonna be more orange.
Yeah, I thought it'd be more orange. That's what I was saying. I thought it'd be a little. I wish it was a little bit more. Like, I wish it popped just a tad bit more. But let's go ahead and just run through some of the details real quick. So this is just a regular, well, not even a regular Air Max 90 upper. So it's kind of like that Vac Tech kind of material. So it's like a one-piece fused upper almost. So as you can see, like how it's kind of like, this is kind of like, damn, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a mold. Like, it's like all one piece. And orange regular laces. Got that silver Nike tab on the front right there. Got extra laces. Got the 3M speckle laces right here. Black wax laces. I'll probably be throwing in the 3M laces just to give it more of a pop. Silver Air Max Nike Air tab on the back. And you got that like a translucent bottom, and this translucent bottom is kind of reminiscent of like the Mars landing like rover tractor thing. You can kind of see the lines coming through here. That's a pretty dope touch. But I think one of the coolest parts about the shoe besides the upper is the midsole. So this is like a black and silver speckled midsole, and the speckles on the midsole are actually 3M reflective, just like the whole upper of the shoe. So when the light hits the whole shoe, the whole entire shoe is gonna light up. So that's when I feel like I kind of like these a little bit more. And the insole, you got the Mars graphic on the insole. This shoe's different, man. I can't explain it. It's like a nylon almost. I don't know how bad it's gonna crease. I mean, I'm gonna be probably rocking these pretty soon. And as you can see today, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do that crease test, you know, get on the tippy toes, show you guys if they are gonna crease pretty bad or not. I have no idea. But my first impression, man, I do like these a lot. I think this is a cool addition to the Air Max collection. As you guys already know, if you haven't seen my Air Max collection video I just threw up earlier today, yeah, go check that out. I'm a huge Air Max fan, but I like these, man. And if you do not know, Air Max 90s fit pretty much true to size, so go with your true size. I went with a 7.5 like I usually do with all my 90s, unless I have to grab a size 8, because sometimes some pairs, you know how it is, you can't always find your exact size sometimes, so you kind of gotta find that right size range. But yeah, I actually hit on these from Sneakers and Stuff. Shout out to Sneakers and Stuff, man. They stay doing the legit online raffles. Most places, these are probably already sold out. I know we had some stores, we had a store here that got them, but I ended up getting them online, so I didn't have to sacrifice any sleep to get these, so that is always a good thing. So that's about it for today's video, man. Appreciate you guys checking out the video and showing all the love, man. We almost at 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. We're growing every day, man. And we out here, man. We done. That's it. I know I did state in my video earlier that these fit true to size like most Air Max 90s, and I'm here to tell you guys that that is wrong. In my opinion, this pair fits, I would say this pair fits a half size small, and I really think it has something to do with the material, because all my other like 90s, they're all usually a 7.5. I got 1.8 because you know, they didn't have a 7.5, so I grabbed the 8 in that particular colorway. But this one fits, I don't know, man. I think these fit a half size small. It's gotta be this material. I just wanted to give you guys that update, and appreciate you guys, man. Try to keep you guys with the most accurate information. I don't want y'all to go buy these and you're like, damn, I want true to size, and you know what I'm saying, I don't want it to be my fault. So thank you.